Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car parking monitor in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car parking monitor to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Junsun Backup Camera 10-inch Mirror Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Junsun. Display, IPS. Touchscreen, yes. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video format, AVI MP4. Max external memory, 64GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 color CMOS. Pixels, 500 mega. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 is Digital Side View Mirror Blind Spot Camera System. Specifications. Brand name, Carsenbo. Screen size, 5.5-inch IPS. Pixel of screen, 1280 by 720p. Brightness of screen, 1000 CD/M2. Camera chips, Sony 462. Pixel of camera, 1920 by 1080p 60 fps. Camera waterproof rate, IP68. Built-in DVR function. Support 256 GTF card. As the item number 3, we've selected Imagebon A8 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Imagebon. Working temperature, -2070 C. App compatibility, Roadcam. Display, IPS. Touchscreen, yes. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Frames per second, 25. Number 2 is Objpeak 3 Camera Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Objpeak. Model, Objpeak H330. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 25. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hipcron 7 inches car monitor. Specifications. Brand name, Hipcron. Resolution, 800 by 480. Placement, in dash. Display size, 7 inches. Item type, car monitors. Origin, mainland China. Weight, 450g.